Open down the piano and let's play the Christmas song, Mary Did You Know? E flat, then we move on to F, half bar coming out B flat to F on A to G minor. Then we have a one bar of E flat both and a right, one bar of E flat both and a right, go to D both and a right, D again. Alright, let's get started. Now first, I will show you the key of this song and which black keys we will be using. This is the key of B flat major, which means I have two black keys, the B flat and the E flat in this key signature. So you will be able to see these two black keys coming out in the chords later on. I have a total of 6 chords for this song. The first chord, we have a G minor. Okay, so this song, we are going to keep it simple. Everything we're going to play in the root position. So for G minor, we're going to go to G, 5 steps up from middle C. Now, this is our middle C, go up D, E, F, G. Okay, we're going to place our thumb over here with our finger 3 on B flat and then finger 5 on D. Okay, so this is our G minor. This is a G major, which probably you are comfortable with, that you are familiar with. But this one is a G minor. And left hand, we're going to have our 2 octaves down, G, going down 1 octave and going down 2 octaves. I'm going to use my finger 2 over here, and this is our G minor chord in the root position. Next chord, we have a F major chord where our right hand moves down to 1 step, F, A, C. Okay, we're going to form the hamburger again, and our left hand, we have a F. This is our F major in root position as well. Next one, we have our E flat major where I've got the right hand move down to E flat, finger 3 on G, finger 5 on B flat, left hand also a E flat. This is a E flat major in the root position. Okay, next chord we have our D major. We're going to move down to D, F sharp and A, and left hand we have a D. Now this is our D major chord. And next we have a B flat major. We're going to move down 1 step down from middle C. This middle C. I have a B flat, finger 1, 2, 4. Okay, so if 1, 3, 5 is okay for you, sure. But usually for a black key starting note, I would like to have a 1, 2, 4 for me. And left hand, I'm going to move up 1 octave down. Now this is our B flat major. And you will be able to see this slash chord F over A, where our right hand goes back to F, A, C. But just now, left hand instead of a F, now we're going to move to A. Now this is our F over A, F on A. Here are all the chords you need for this song. Take a moment to pause and practice switching between them until it feels smooth for your playing. If you would like to understand the formula behind major and minor chords, be sure to check out my piano chords video, link below. And if you would like a printable version of this chord sheet, I have prepared it as part of my resources for every of my tutorial on Patreon to take your learning further, so do check it out as well. Before we add any playing patterns, if you are a beginner, I recommend bringing up the chord sheet and just playing each chord once for every change while you sing along with the song. Now this will help you get used to the words and the exact spots where the chords switches. So here's a quick example of how that looks. I have a G minor, Mary, did you know that F chord, baby boy, E flat, will one day walk, D major, water, Mary, D, G minor, know that your F chord, and then have an E flat, will save our sons, D major, and daughters. This was just a short example, but you will want to practice this for the entire song and make sure you know exactly where the chord changes happen. I've made the full chord sheet available on my Patreon for download and printing, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. So once you're comfortable with the chord changes, you know where to put your fingers, we can start adding the different patterns for this song. Let's start with our verse 1 with the playing pattern as a both hold and a right hold for a full bar. Okay, but in between, in the middle of our verses, I have a half bar coming up. For half bar, we're going to keep it simple, both and a hold. That's all. So let's try verse 1 slowly. Mary, did you, G minor, know that your F chord, baby boy, will E flat major, one day walk on D major, water, Mary, did you, G minor again, know that your F chord, baby boy, will E flat, save our sons, and D major, daughters. Did you E flat know that your F chord, baby boy, has half a bar of B minor means we're just gonna play one time. Come to half a bar of F over A. One time also. Make you one bar of G minor. New. This E flat major. Child that you D. One bar of E flat again. Verb. Will. One bar of D. Soon deliver. One bar of D again. You. Mary, did you? One bar of G minor. One bar of F. One bar of E flat. And one bar of D. So let's try verse 1 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Mary, did you know that your baby boy will one day walk on water? Mary, did you know that your baby boy E flat will save our sons and daughters? Did you know that your baby boy, half a bar B flat, come to make you new? That's a fast change over there. E flat, this child that you deliver. E flat again. D will soon deliver you. Mary, did you know? And a F, E flat, and a D. Let's move on to verse 2, where it's exactly the same as verse 1. Mary, did you? Let's do it slowly. G minor. Know that your one bar F, baby boy will. One bar E flat, give sight to a. One bar D, blind man. Mary, did you? One bar G minor. Know that your one bar F, baby boy will. One bar E flat, calm a storm with. One bar D, his hand. Did you know? One bar E flat. Know that your one bar F, baby boy, half a bar of B flat, walked where? Half bar of F over A. Angels. One bar of G minor, trod. And when you E flat, kiss your little E flat again, baby. You have one bar D, kiss the face of D again, God. Let's try verse 2 smoothly. 1, 2, 1, 2. Mary, did you know that your baby boy will give sight to a blind man? Mary, did you know that your baby boy E flat will calm a storm with his hand? Did you know? And the F, that your baby boy, half a bar B flat, right? Angels trod, G minor. And when you kiss your little baby flat again, and D chord, you have kissed the face of God. So let's move on to our bridge, where the playing pattern is going to be a both and a right left for full bar. For our half bar, it's going to be just a both. That's all. Okay, so let's try it slowly. E flat, the blind will see the F chord. Deaf will hear, and the half a bar of B flat just one time. Dead will half a bar of F over A. Leave a one bar of G minor. Gain the one bar E flat. Lame will leap the F chord. Dumb will speak the G minor. Praises of the D chord. Lamb and D chord again. Mary, did you? G minor. No. F, E flat, and D. Mary, did you know? G minor, F, E flat, and a D. Okay, this is part of the instrumental. So let's try bridge smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. The blind will see, the deaf will hear, and the dead will live again. The lame will leap, the dumb will speak, the praises of the Lamb. Mary, did you know? And a D, again G minor, down to F, E flat, and a D. And lastly, for our verse 3, for this part of the song, it kind of slow down. So it will be great if you can just hold the chord. Mary, did you just hold the G minor? Know that your baby boy, E flat, is Lord of all creation. Mary, did you, G minor, know that your F chord, baby boy, E flat, will one day rule the D chord nations. And then for this part, did you know that your baby boy is heaven's perfect lamb? We can try to pick up the pattern again. Did you know? So the pattern is going to be a both and a right. Okay, for a full bar, and then for our half bar, it's going to be a both. That's all. Okay, so for this line, did you, E flat, know that your F chord, baby boy, is half a bar of B flat, heavens, half a bar F over A, perfect, and one bar G minor, lamb. This, E flat, sleeping child, yeah. One bar E flat again, holding, is the one bar D, great, on, and one bar G again, I, and on M, we're just gonna end with a G minor, a both pattern, M. That's all. Alright, so let's try verse 3 smoothly with our holding chord and the pattern coming in. Smoothly, verse 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Mary, did you know that your baby boy is Lord of all creation? Mary, did you know that your baby boy will one day rule the nations? Pattern coming up. Did you know, both and right, that your baby boy, half a bar B flat, heaven's perfect lamb, both and right. This sleeping child you're holding is the great I am. Hold on, G minor, M. And this marks the end of our tutorial. Great work today! Now every time you practice, you are getting better and more confident at the piano. If you would like the extra support, I prepared resources like chord sheets, diagrams on my Patreon page to guide your learning further. My next video will be a practice track for this song, so be sure to check that out and practice together with me. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and share so you won't miss what's coming next. Now keep learning, have fun. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.